Setting up a telephone entry system with remote programming can usually be a bit of a challenge, especially with the time and hassle of trenching, and the difficulty of running lengths of cable to remote areas. Imagine if setting up your telephone entry system were as easy as activating your cell phone. Now, DKS has developed an easier solution for all applications: cellular telephone entry. Finally, you can easily set up and program your telephone entry system in just 4 easy steps. First, install your entry system. Second, download and register the DKS remote account software from DoorKing.com. Third, activate your account using your credit card information. And now the final step. You're ready to program, controlling access for tenants and employees. The entry system is set up in just 4 simple steps. With the DKS Cellular telephone entry system, you can now eliminate the time and cost of trenching and running cable, all for just the cost of a monthly cell phone. It's that easy.